Hey guys, Half Click up here with a little bit of a maintenance video for you guys. I've already changed the oil. She's got fresh oil in her, man, fresh Yamalube. If you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should. You already know that I am doing oil today, plugs today. Here's the plugs. Got some new NGK Iridium 9s going in there, and I got a guider air filter I'm gonna drop in there. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I didn't bother filming the oil change or anything because we'll already have, you know. If you're new here, I've got, well, you know what? I don't have a playlist created yet. I'll tell you what. By the time you see this video, I will have created a playlist for Yamaha FZ6R maintenance stuff. I've done. You know, I've done videos on oil change, brakes, you know, pads and all that nonsense. Everything to the, I've got some stuff on the clip-on mod. What else? I've got videos out there of the custom Yoshimura R6 header exhaust. I mean, I've got videos out there of all this stuff, man. Installation of the block-off plates, all that. So it's out there if you want to see it, man. If you ride an FZ6R, you want to know more about modding your rig, go check it out. It's all up there. And that's, I don't know, I'll call the playlist FZ6R maintenance or some such shit. So the owner's manual for the FZ6R states that you should change your spark plugs once a year, and these are NGK Iridium 9s. I've got number 1 out. Let's check it out. These have been in the bike for, I guess, about a year. And let's see if I can get a nice focus for you guys. Yeah. See, they don't look bad at all, right? Actually, they look pretty spectacular, considering. So one of my concerns about plugs was, I'm sorry guys, I can't even talk. One of my concerns was how the bike is performing since I've got the power commander on there running a pretty aggressive tune. And you know, I kind of had concerns that maybe if I was going to wait too long to do plugs, that I might run into issues. I was kind of concerned about the fact that maybe they would be fouling, you know, because she does run a little rich now since it has a tune. And lo and behold, nothing to worry about at all. In fact, if I didn't already buy another set of plugs, I probably wouldn't even bother putting these in there, because if the rest of the plugs look as good as this one looks, I'm not gonna have anything to worry about. But the thing about it is, man, if you're gonna take the time to bust this thing down and get in there, you might as well come armed with a new set of plugs anyways, right? I mean, 20 bucks, you're already in it, 20 bucks worth of your own time just to get to this point, right? So there you go. Oh, this is the high flow air filter with I guess about 20,000 miles on it, maybe 15,000 miles, I don't know, but it doesn't look terrible either. It's just a little sooty, but I mean, it's neither here nor there, right? Might as well change it. We're in here, we'll change it. Also, of course, I wanted to make sure that the block off plates are still nice and snug. They haven't backed out any, which they have not, so that's good to go. But yeah, man, how do you like my hood prop? Check that out. That's how it's done right there, man. Just got to make sure you disconnect this fuel sensor, because if you don't, it really puts a bind on that wire there. So, but yeah, just a little 1x4, you know, hood prop. Anyways, guys, I think that's all I got. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm up to on a Sunday fun day, maintenance tune-up day. That's about all I got, man. Oil changed, new oil filter in there, new plugs going in, new air filter going in, and we'll be good to go. anyways, guys, it's halfclickup. I'm out of here. I'm gonna catch up with you guys probably, I don't know, maybe by Wednesday of this coming week. I'll have a new vlog up. We did surpass 300 subs, so I'll probably make a vlog about that. Anyways, guys, it's been halfclickup. Peace. I'm out of here and goodbye.